In this video, we are going to start by installing the KVM virtualization. Then we are going to install a program called QEMU. And then after that, we are going to install a GUI program called Virtual Machine Manager. With this, you will be able to have a GUI for creating virtual machines that will run on a Linux machine. You will be able to create virtual machines that will run on any Linux platform. But in this case, we are going to use Ubuntu and other Ubuntu-based distros like Mint Linux. Right, let's get into it. We are now going to install the QEMU and the libvirt and the virt manager. First, we need to do an update. We're going to run this command sudo apt update. Now we are going to run this command, and this information is available on the blog. We have provided a link below. Have a look at the link below. Now that we've installed the software, we need to add the users, your user, to two groups. There's the KVM group and there's the libvirt group. Let's first add the user to the KVM group. And now add the user to the libvirt group. There's one more thing we need to do now, and that is we need to reboot the machine. After rebooting, we will open the machine from the GUI. We have now connected with a remote desktop to the server. In this case, it's a Mint Linux machine. And I have now launched the Virtual Machine Manager so that we can create a new machine. We go to the File menu and we say New Virtual Machine. And here we choose the installation media as local. And then we say Browse. And we would like this ISO. Unfortunately, it does not detect Ubuntu ISO, so I had to type the name of the OS as UBU, and then it gave me a list, and I could select Ubuntu. Now we go forward. It is a good practice to allocate half the memory and half the CPUs that are available to your VM if you're running a single VM on the machine, which is what I'm going to be doing. And then we go forward. We are going to use the default storage, which is 25 gigabyte. You need to select the network, otherwise it's not going to work. And this is okay, default network. And now we can say finish. And now it's going to create and install the OS. So now we can press enter. and we will select the language. I'm not going to update. I'm going to continue with that. I'm going to use the entire disk. Ideally, you should sit behind the machine. I am connecting remotely. Now it's telling us what it's going to do, and we say done. Are you sure? Continue. Now we need to give it a password. Now it's telling us how we can remote it. And now we wait for the installation to complete. I am going to stop this video and resume when the installation has completed. It'll take quite a few minutes. As you can see, the installation completed, and now we have a VM. I shut it down during the installation after rebooting it. So now we have a VM that we can use. Thank you for watching this video. We trust you found this both interesting and useful. Please give us a like. Also, subscribe to our channel so our channel can grow.